decades, the Xootr scooter has owned the reputation for the top adult scooter for urban transportation. Xootr now introduces its fourth generation scooter, the best kick scooter ever. Let's start with the biggest innovation, our patent-pending QuickClick latch. When we created the Xootr scooter, we needed a reliable and foolproof way to lock the scooter in the riding position and to allow it to fold. We went with a highly proven but low-tech solution, a locking pin. But in 2016, we became sick and tired of the pins and we put our minds to create the best scooter latch ever. The seemingly small detail was a vexing engineering challenge. Two PhD mechanical engineers, and many months later, we're excited now to introduce the fourth generation of Xootr kick scooter with the QuickClick latch. With a single touch of your thumb, you can quickly unfold and fold the Xootr scooter, and with some practice, you'll get good at it, folding and unfolding it with your foot. And let's circle back on what makes the Xootr scooter what Wired magazine declared its first-class kick scooter. It starts with the wheels. Our wheels are so fast we've literally had people ask if we've invented anti-gravity. We like to say anti-friction. Don't take our word for it. A few years ago, the U.S. National Soapbox Derby organization adopted Xootr scooter wheels for all teams competing in the National Speed Championship. Next is the industrial design that recently earned our partner, San Francisco-based Lunar Design, the Copper Hewitt National Design Award for Excellence. In fact, the Xootr scooter design is so distinguished, it was one of just 3 products Steve Jobs kept in his office. Xootr scooters are essentially indestructible. In today's world of disposable products, we stand by the Xootr for as long as we're around, and that's now 2 decades and counting.
Power button, there's a sticker that reminds us to download the Segway app to our phone. It allows us to register our scooter to our phone and unlock its full speed, which is 12.4 miles an hour. If you don't do this, it has a safety function that only allows you to drive up to 6 miles an hour. Turn the scooter on by pressing the power button, and this beeping has automatically turned the Bluetooth on. So to search it through your phone, add device and it will scan, and once it's detected a new scooter, it will send you through directions. First press the power on button, next one is to add in your mobile phone number and you'll send a verification code that will be sent to your phone number. Once that arrives, put that in, press next. Pressing the power button twice will change which driving mode we're in. So right now, if there is no symbol, that means we're in safety mode. Press it twice, it comes up with a white S, which is standard. 2 more times, it takes it to a red S, which is sport mode. To turn the light on and off, we press the power button once with a quick touch. To change the drive mode, it's a double touch, and to press it down, turns the scooter off. If you need any help or have any questions about the scooter, please contact us here and our customer service team will be happy to advise. I know you're going to enjoy the E22. Ride safe and we'll see you soon.